take 10 ounces of mini marshmallows and 1 cup of light corn syrup. The corn syrup pours better if you nuke it for 30 seconds. Melt them together over bubbling water. This is called a double boiler, by the way, and we're using glass on purpose. We want to keep it warm longer. It only takes like 5 minutes, and set that on the warm stovetop for a moment. Oh, Starlight and Sassafras, you two made him. Do you realize what happens when pastry and power mix without proper permission? Matter of fact, yes, chaos caramelization and a mild case of interplanetary intercession. We're familiar. Enough! The bottle you seek passed through this sector mere crumbs ago. Separate 4 eggs and whisk the whites with cream of tartar until they're nice and foamy. You don't need the yellow yolks for this recipe, but don't throw them away. Make our creme brulee with them. We show you how easy it is in this video. Watch that next. Look how fluffy the whites became. Add the marshmallow mixture and whisk away. Whisk to stiff peaks. It was accompanied by a suspicious fruity object. The purple peach. That fuzzy rascal. Then we're on the right trail. Let's move, team. Bottle first, fashion second. You want to work really quickly while the frosting is still warm. When it cools down, it gets hard to pipe and spread on the cupcakes. But you can warm it back up by putting it back on the double boiler. You can even toast the marshmallows if you like. But we got it, don't we? Negative, Citizen Sparkle. I shall take command of this operation. This is now a Sweet Force initiative. Over my glitter-dusted sandals, Puff Boy. Oh, sugar. This is about to be a bake-off with a battle plan.